Welcome, it's Deronda with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make this cheesy corn spoon bread. It's delicious. Everyone loves it and it's very simple to make. The ingredients you're going to need is a 14.75 ounce can of your cream style corn, 2 cups of sour cream. I've got a 16 ounce tub here, which is 2 cups. 1 15.25 ounce can of whole corn kernels. We're going to drain this. 1 medium onion that I'm going to show you how to dice. 1/4 cup of cube butter. It can be salted or unsalted. 1 4-ounce can of your diced green chilies. 2 medium eggs. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 8.5 ounce box of corn muffin mix. 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I shred my cheese myself, but if you want to buy it in the bag already shredded, that'll work. And 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Let me show you how simple and easy this is to get together. Drain all your liquid off your corn kernels. Sit this off to the side. Grease a 13 by 9 inch baking dish and sit this off to the side. I'm going to show you how to dice this onion. We're just going to use a chef's knife and remove the top of the onion, remove the bottom of the onion, and we're going to cut it in half. Going to remove the outside layer of our onion. Just peel it right back. Slice in the center. Make little vertical slices. Then we're going to turn it this way and we're going to just dice our onion down. Just like that. And now we're going to do the second half. In a 12-inch skillet over medium-high heat, add your butter and all your diced onions. We're going to saute this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Continue stirring until they're nice and tender. And looking like this. This is after 5 minutes. They're lovely and tender. Let's move this off the burner. They can cool off while I show you how to get the rest of the ingredients together. I'm adding my eggs into a large mixing bowl. Doesn't matter if the yolks break. Give this a lovely little whisking. I'm going to add that sour cream. Add it all in. Incorporate your sour cream with your egg mixture. Add that creamed corn. And see, we don't drain that creamed corn. See how lovely and creamy that is? We're going to add the whole can in there, along with the corn kernels that we've drained. And we've drained them very well. See, look at all that liquid. You can discard this. Make sure you get all these ingredients well blended. Woo! Yum! Smells so nice and fresh. Add your can of green chilies, liquid and all, your pepper and salt. Give this a lovely little whisking until all of your ingredients are well blended. Add those sauteed onions, and at this point you want your oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to just whip it through here just a little bit. Start adding that corn muffin mix. Just gently put it all in there. Bind it until this corn muffin mix has just disappeared here in our sour cream corn batter. We want to make sure not to over stir it, and that looks perfect. Back with that cheddar cheese. Use 1.5 cups. Just reserve about 1/2 cup for the top of your cheesy corn spoon bread. Gently just fold this in until it's well distributed through your mixture here. Back with our prepared baking dish, which is also a 3-quart dish. We're going to add that cheesy mixture right in here. Perfect with grilled chicken, grilled pork chops, steaks, anything. It's absolutely delicious by itself. And then with that extra cheese we've got left over, we're going to sprinkle it here on the top. Give it a lovely little tap to make sure that cheese gets down in there and there's no air pockets left. And this is off to that preheated oven on the middle rack for the next 40 minutes. Use your timer and no peeking. I can smell that fabulous cheesy spoon cornbread. And we're going to check for doneness. I'm using a toothpick. Just going to put it in. If it comes out clean, No batter on it. Let's go here in the center. No batter on it. So this is completely baked. Over here on the cooling rack, I'm going to let it cool down for about 15 minutes before we cut into it. And my goodness, that smells absolutely delicious. Gotta go in here and see what this fabulous cheesy corn spoon bread we're using. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be like a wow. Looky there. Oh yeah, still super nice and warm. Gotta give this a try. Smells so yummy. Here goes. Super duper rich in flavor. Has like a souffle, super light texture, and those little pillows of corn kernels just burst in your mouth. That lovely cream corn gives it a lovely creamy texture with that sour cream and those chopped chilies. It is fabulous. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Cheesy corn spoon bread that never disappoints. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching. Stay safe, and I'll catch you lovely people later.